Welcome to today's video, everyone. We're going to be talking about the slight versus severe weather today. So let's get started, everyone. In the severe weather probability outlook. Alright, everyone, we can see we have our severe weather probability outlook we can see today. We got slight risk in Kansas, a margin risk in Missouri, Illinois we can see also on here, in Texas and Oklahoma. We can see everyone in a typical thunderstorm risk in Minnesota, Wisconsin we can see, and a bunch of states too on here, guys. So yeah. Alright, let's check out our let's look at our wind risk for today. We got a 15% wind risk we can see for parts of Oklahoma, no, Kansas I meant. Kansas we can see a 15% wind risk. 5% wind risk in Oklahoma, Texas we can see also Missouri, Illinois, Iowa, Nebraska, Colorado. We can see also on here too, guys, so we can see that. Alright, we can see our tornado risk for today. We got a 2% tornado risk in Kansas. We can see also on here too, guys. Then we got our hail risk for today. We got a 15% hail risk for Kansas. We can see a 5% hail risk for Missouri, Illinois, Nebraska, Iowa, Kansas, and 15% hail risk we can see for Kansas with a hazardous significant wind risk. We can see also too on here, guys. We can see. All right, so let me get our Dave Reed outlook, our tomorrow's outlook up. You can see. Alright, so we can see we got a slight risk in Kansas, Missouri, Iowa. You can see a margin risk in Iowa. You can see Wisconsin, Illinois, Kansas, and Oklahoma. We can see. And we got typical thunderstorm risk in Colorado, Kansas, Texas, Arkansas, Illinois, Indiana, Michigan, Ohio, Kentucky, Florida, Wisconsin, and Minnesota. You can see on here too, guys. So yeah. Alright, so then we got Saturday, everyone. We got a severe weather probability risk we can see for Kansas, Iowa, Missouri. We can see also on here too, guys. Then our day 5 risk we can see another severe weather risk for Iowa, Kansas, Nebraska, Minnesota too. We can see on here in Illinois. Then we got a Monday severe weather risk too. We can see a 15% severe weather risk for Wisconsin, Illinois, Iowa, Missouri, Kansas, and Oklahoma. We can see also in Texas, everyone. So yeah, guys, so let's move on to our radar projections for today. Alright, we can see we got our radar projections for today. We can see also too, guys, so we can see on here we got some storms in Kansas down fire, Texas, Oklahoma, rain in Nebraska. We can see potential storms too. Sun form we can see in some places like Kansas, Texas, and Oklahoma. We can see on here also, guys. So yeah, be looking at this. So 5 p.m. we can see we have some storms starting to form in Texas. We can see with some radar projections here. We got some heavy rain. We can see in some of those storms. Got some rain. Got some storms maybe forming across some parts of Kansas too. Then we got some rain in Minnesota, South Dakota, Nebraska to Iowa. You can see also on here too, in Missouri too. Also we can see. Alright, 6 p.m. we can see. You can see also we got some storms in Kansas, Texas also, Oklahoma. Maybe we can see potentially in Kansas and Missouri also. You can see on here Iowa, we can maybe see some storms in Minnesota too. We can see also out here too, guys. So yeah, and 7 p.m. we can see some storms in Texas, Kansas. We can see also. We get some rain in Nebraska, Iowa, Minnesota, and Missouri too. Also too, guys. So yeah. 8 p.m. we can see our storms across Kansas. We can see also on here too, guys. Then we got some storms in Texas. We can see also potentially some maybe rain in Iowa and Minnesota. We can see some maybe light rain in Missouri. We can see also too on here, guys. So yeah. Then 9 p.m. on Thursday we can see some storms forming in maybe Nebraska and other parts of Kansas too. Then some rain in Texas and Oklahoma. We can see also too on here, guys. So yeah. Then 10 p.m. we can still have some storms in Kansas, some maybe storms and rain in Iowa. We can see also too on here, guys. We can see for today, 11 p.m. So this could be probably more projections will come out later. You can see. So let's go over to over here and see something real quick. So It looks like some rain over here in the New England states we can see today, and maybe some rain in Maine and some of the New England states we can see also. So let's look at our severe weather for this weekend and see what's going on about that. So let's look at that now. All right, everyone. So we're gonna be getting into our storm cap numbers. We can see we got Friday, May 15th. We can see on here. We got storm cap numbers in places like Kansas at 2,400. We can see on here, 2,300, 2,100 in Nebraska. 2,300 in Iowa, 1,200 in Iowa. We can see 1,800 in Missouri, 2,400 in Kansas, Oklahoma 1,200, Texas about 700, Louisiana about 1,000, Arkansas about 1,300. We can see Tennessee 900, Mississippi 1,000. We can see also on here. We can see 100 in about Wisconsin. We can see on here also, guys. So yeah, you can see that on here for Friday at 1 p.m. Then we can see Friday 3 p.m. We can see on here too, guys. We got 2,800 storm cap in Kansas, 2,500 in Missouri, 1,800 in Oklahoma, 2,000 in Oklahoma, 700 in Missouri. We can see 2,100 in Louisiana, 1,000 in Tennessee, 1,000 in Mississippi. We can see in Illinois about 1,100 storm cap too. You can see also too in Wisconsin about a few hundred storm cap too. In Texas about 1,500 storm cap too. We can see on here too, guys. So yeah. All right, then Friday at 6 p.m. we can see we got 2,600 storm cap in Kansas. We can see 2,200 in Missouri, 1,200 in Illinois. We can see Missouri about 1,600, Louisiana about 2,300 storm cap. We can see also for Friday at 6 p.m. You can see on here too, guys. So yeah. And going into Saturday morning, we can see high storm cap numbers, and we can see Saturday at 1 p.m. we have 2,800 in Kansas, 2,600, 2,500 in Iowa, 1,900 in Illinois, 4,000 in Missouri, 1,600 in Arkansas. We can see 1,100 in Texas. We can see 500 in Louisiana too. Also Ohio 1,700 storm cap, 1,100 in Kentucky, Tennessee 1,600 storm cap. Also too, guys, we can see Colorado 900 storm cap, 1,200 in Nebraska too. You can see on here too, guys. So yeah. 2 p.m. on Saturday, we can see we have 3,000 storm cap in Kansas. We can see also 2,300 in Missouri, Illinois about 1,800, 1,300 in Wisconsin, 1,500 in Illinois, 1,300 in Indiana, Kentucky 1,200 storm cap. We can see also Tennessee 1,600, Louisiana about 600 storm cap. We can see also too on here, guys. Then Colorado about 600 storm cap. You can see also too, guys, on here. Then 4 p.m. on Saturday, you can see we have 3,000 storm cap in Kansas, 2,900 in Missouri, Iowa about 2,700, 2,000 in Illinois. We can see also Indiana about 1,900 storm cap. We can see also on here too, guys. Then Kentucky 600, Tennessee about 1,700 storm cap. We can see also Mississippi about 1,600 in Louisiana, 2,200 in Texas. We can see also on here. In Nebraska, 12 to 1,900 in some spots. We can see also. All right, then we can see Saturday at 10 p.m. in some places. We can see 1,700 storm cap. You can see also 2,300 in Missouri, Illinois about 1,200, Indiana about 1,000 storm cap, Louisiana about 200 storm cap. We can see also on here too, guys. Then Tennessee about 600, Kentucky about 1,200, Michigan about 1,400 storm cap. And see you in some places. Kentucky about 1,600 storm cap also. You can see also Colorado about 700 storm cap. We can see on here too, guys. And Sunday at 3 a.m. we can 1,800 storm cap in Kansas. We can see Missouri about 1,100 to 1,300 in some spots. Illinois about 800. Indiana about 1,000. Ohio about 700 storm cap. We can see also Arkansas about 500. Louisiana 700 storm cap, Tennessee about 800, Mississippi about 400. We can see in some spots too, guys. All right, then we can see Sunday at 2 p.m. We can see we have storm cap numbers in the 3,000 area. We can see in Oklahoma, Texas. We can see Missouri about 2,300, Illinois about 2,400, Indiana about 1,400. See Ohio about 1,600. We can see also Wisconsin about 400 too. We can see on here also too, guys. Colorado about 1,500 storm cap also. You can see on here in Louisiana about 2,400 too. You can see. Alright. 5 p.m. maybe we could have Rudolph's and storm cap. Plus in Kansas we can see maybe 3,800 Rudolph's in Oklahoma. It's 1,900 in Arkansas. You can see also on here 2,100 about Louisiana. We can see also on here 2,200 in about Texas. Illinois is about 1,800 in some spots. 1,700. Iowa about 2,500. Nebraska about 3,000 storm cap. We can see also at 8 p.m. on Sunday, our storm cap numbers start to go down. We can see it's like 2,800, 2,900, 2,500, 1,700 in Arkansas. We can see also 2,300 in Louisiana. You can see also Tennessee about 600 storm cap. In Mississippi about 1,900 storm cap. In Alabama about 700. Some spots Ohio 1,300. You can see also too, guys. So then Monday we can have a really high storm cap in some places. Monday is, I want to show you guys this for Monday. So we got 4,200 in Kansas, 3,900 in Oklahoma, 4,000. Texas about 4,000 storm cap. We can see also on here Iowa about 3,500, Illinois about 2,400, 2,500 storm cap. You can see also on here really high storm caps. This could change before then. You can see also on here too, guys. So yeah, I want to also show you one more thing, guys, real quick. So our dew points. So you know what I'm saying on here. Look at this, guys. Look at our dew points. We can see that dry air in Nebraska, Texas. We can see combining with the humid air. These could cause some strong storms. You can see also on here too, guys. So yeah, look at this, guys. We have dew points in parts of Minnesota at 65, then the other part at 39 dew points. 65 in Wisconsin. We can see Nebraska 40. We can see Illinois about 70 degrees dew point. You can see Montana about 21 degrees, Wyoming 27 degree dew points. We can see also Nebraska about 40 degrees dew points, Iowa 40s in some spots, and Missouri in the 60s in parts of Iowa, and you're even dew points in the 70s in Illinois. You can see also on here in Indiana dew points in the 70s too. So hope you enjoyed watching this video today. Thank you for watching. I see you guys in the next one. Make sure to subscribe to the notification bell. Never miss a video like this, guys. I see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.